Kaloyo International.
A group of Sudanese missionaries has praised the Kenyan government for its ongoing support of peace missions across East Africa. They highlighted the country's role in providing safe havens for hundreds of refugees fleeing conflict. The missionaries described Kenya's efforts as vital for regional stability and humanitarian relief, saying the support has brought hope to displaced families while strengthening peace initiatives in neighboring nations.
The President and the people of Kenya. Now we are in 𝐄𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐥𝐞𝐢𝑠𝐡 International Bible Institute in Busia in Nambale, where 40 students from South Sudan have completed their theological studies. We want to pray that these students will go back and transform the community. These studies will also go back home so that they preach a message of love, message of reconciliation, so that our people come to forgive each other and live at peace. Peace not only in South Sudan, peace in the region, in East Africa.
Over 200 young people from across Nyandarua County took on the steep cliff of Elephant Hill, the highest point in the Aberdare range, in an energetic expedition promoting ecotourism, fitness and youth unity. The event, organized in partnership with the Ministry of Tourism through the Kenya Tourism Fund, brought together youth groups and local leaders. Governor 𝐍𝐢𝐧𝐞 Badilisha joined the climb, pledging to make it an annual event across all sub-counties. The governor highlighted Nyandarua's fertile land, abundant water and unique tourism sites as key assets for creating jobs and improving livelihoods. He also revealed ongoing talks with the Kenya Wildlife Service to allocate 20 acres of the Aberdare forest for youth and investor-focused sports activities. Describing the hike as a symbol of resilience and unity, Governor Badilisha urged young people to promote the country's trail, emphasizing that Nyandarua natural beauty deserves recognition both nationally and globally.
The reason why we are going to this, we want to promote tourism in Nyandarua County. We come from Nyandarua County, and we need to promote tourism in Nyandarua County, having that it's one of the biggest reserves in Mount Kenya region and in this country, and also to benefit the locals with the OSLs. And for the young people, we want to embrace that we have these resources within ourselves. We don't need to go to other counties to get these resources. Within ourselves, we can promote Nyandarua and build Nyandarua.
Hi, cousins.
Calls for unity, dignity and people-centered leadership echoed at the Lower Eastern Advocates Forum end-of-year celebrations at Sisu Hotel in Machakos County. Governor Wavinya Ndeti urged leaders to work together amid rising economic challenges, highlighting the importance of Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka's experienced leadership during this period. She also expressed concerns over heavy taxation and a 700 million Kenyan shillings debt owed to the county by the Social Health Authority, warning of its potential impact on healthcare services. Forum leaders jointly called on Kenyans to embrace unity and demand accountable leadership that puts citizens' welfare first.
Fanya nini, wanafanya nini, wananyamaza, but wakati wa kunyamaza umefanya nini, umeisha bwana. Ongea. Si ndio? Wakati wa kunyamaza umefanya nini?
The road to glory is heating up in the third edition of the Machakos County Governor's Cup, with semi-final action at the Kenyatta Stadium living up to the hype. In the women's category, Talanta Queens from Kalama Sub-County will face Juakali Queens of Machakos Sub-County in the grand finale after both teams delivered commanding performances. In the men's competition, Katwanyaa Falcons edged Katwanyaa Eagles in a tense penalty shootout following a 1-1 draw, securing a spot in the final against either Scotlanders FC or Mavoko Youth. The champions will take home 1 million Kenyan shillings.
Imekuwa challenging sana jo ku fort hadi hapa mazee, na hii milioni tukipata si kama vijana, tuko na project mingi mazee. Tunataka kuanza poultry farming, si kama vijana tunataka kujinufaisha. Kuna business farming pale home, kila mmoja wetu tunaangalia kutoka chini juu sisi ni upcoming generation.
And that's it from the Eastleigh Voice News Desk.